Today we are going to discuss about distribution of iron ore in India. One of the most important part of the chapter named is minerals and energy resources. So at first we will discuss about iron ore. Iron ore, one of the most important metallic minerals and also ferrous minerals, and also known as backbone of our industrial requirements because heavy ships, railway track, big buildings made by iron. Iron ore mainly classify into major four types, but most important iron ore is magnetite, which has up to 70% iron content, and another is hematite. Hematite iron ore also very important iron ores, and 50 to 60% iron content. It has 50 to 60% iron content. But in India, there are major four iron ore belts distributed along with the in India. Mainly four iron belts are Odisha Jharkhand belt. Second is Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt. Third, Bellary Chitradurga Chikmagalur Tumkur belt, and Maharashtra Goa belt. But uh, in Odisha Jharkhand belt, Odisha and Jharkhand, one of the most important iron ore producing area in India. Uh, Odisha, Mayurbhanj, Kendujhar district are very famous, and there are huge reserves of iron ore. Mainly in Odisha, Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar, and in Odisha, high grade of hematite iron ore found in Badam Pahad, one of the most important site for iron ore, Badam Pahad, and it will be asked for map question and map pointing questions. Badam Pahad, and this hematite iron ore very famous and very important, and it is utilized for metallurgical use. So another belt is Durg Basta Chandrapur belt, lies in the Chhattisgarh state. In this Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra states, in this belts, maximum iron ores mainly found in this belt. These are the high category of hematite iron ore. In Chhattisgarh, Durg Bastar Chhattisgarh belt, major Boila Dila range, one of the most important site. Boila Dila. Boila Dila range also asks for map pointing questions. Boila Dila range is the very most important iron ore producing area in India. Yes. Another is Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur and Tumkur belt in Karnataka. Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt lies in the Karnataka. In this belt, one of the most important site is Kudremukh. Kudremukh, what is the meaning of Kudre? Kudre means horse and Mukh means face, horse of face. Kudremukh iron ore, very famous for high category of iron ore producing, and it is totally produce iron ore for export to different countries from Mangalore port. Mangalore port, and another is and 100% export this unit Kudremukh, and Maharashtra Goa belt includes the state of Goa and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra, lies in the Goa and Maharashtra belt. And though Maharashtra and Goa belts are famous for iron ore producing, though it is not very high quality of iron ore, but it also exported from India, from the Marmagao port. These are the major four iron ore producing belts in India. Now I am repeating for again once again. The major iron ore gold belts in India are Odisha, Jharkhand belt. In Odisha, high grade hematite ore is found in Badam Pahad. Badam Pahad mines in the Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar district. Singhbhum district of Jharkhand hematite iron ore is mined in Goa and Noamundi. Second is Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt lies in the Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Very high grade hematite are found in the famous Bailadila range. Bailadila, hump of the ox. In this situation, name is Bailadila. Because where iron ore found this area and relief is like hump of the ox. Boiladila range. In hills, Basta district in Chhattisgarh, Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt in Karnataka has large reserves of iron ore. The Kudremukh mines located in the western Ghats of Karnataka 100% export unit and total iron ore exported by Mangalore port from outer part of India and to the abroad. And another is Maharashtra Goa belt includes the state of Goa and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Through the though the iron ore not of very high quality, though they are efficiently exploited, iron ore is exported through Marmagao uh, Marmagao port, which is located in Goa. This is the major iron ore producing or iron ore belts in India. Uh, Question is for short questions. Which type of iron ore are finest iron ore? And magnetite and hematite, one of the most important iron ore, which has a huge content, and major four areas which is major four areas which are very famous for iron ore producing in India. Yes, this is the major point, and this is the major point, and this is the very important part of minerals. Topic is minerals and distributions of iron ore in India. Okay, and according to NCERT books geography, page number 54, important minerals, page number 54, distributions of iron ores. This map is very important for map related questions, because you know from geography 4 marks are asked from map related questions. This map is very useful for you, and it is you required practice it again and again. Okay, so thank you.